Day 3 in Tokyo. Taxi going to Asakusa, 10,100 yen or 3,939 pesos. McDo for snacks, 2,790 yen or 1,088.10 pesos. Taxi from Asakusa to Shinjuku, 4,900 yen or 1,911 pesos. Lunch, 4,850 yen or 1,891.50 pesos. Taxi from Shinjuku to Shibuya, 2,100 yen or 819 pesos. Taxi from Shibuya to accommodation, 8,100 yen or 3,159 pesos. 7-Eleven items for snacks, 1,498 yen or 584.22 pesos. Groceries, 4,476 yen or 1,745.64 pesos. With a running expense of 124,825.24, total running expense for now is 139,143.70 pesos. That's all for now.